some neighboring countries. Yeah. And in the research, another objective was to use self-control to investigate the cultural differentiation between these generations. Yeah. And we use online-based self-assessment survey, yeah, to collect the data. And from the data, the result, it showed that these three generations, X, Y, and Z, they had the same brand attitude towards this international fashion brands. But when it comes to purchase intention, Gen X and Gen Y had a different brand attitude. Gen X and Gen Z had a different brand attitude. And the result also showed that Gen Y and Gen Z had the same purchase intention. Yeah. Yeah. So that was the result from the research. My motivation. Well, first of all, so during the pandemic, social media platform became a great way to engage with people. And carrying out my research with the pandemic was difficult because we can't be sharing papers to people, and it was even difficult to meet people face to face. So that's why I choose to carry it, to collect the data online. Yeah, because a good thing about online is that you get real-time results faster. It's also more accurate when you get online because the margin of error will be reduced with online results. And the participants too, the participants, they are free to answer the question at their own convenience. Yeah, with online survey. And the researcher will reduce costs. Yeah. Yeah, so why I did the conference, well, I got feedback from, I wouldn't say classmate, but a student too, a doctorate student in my university. Yeah, actually I study in Khon University, study masters in business, international business administration. Yeah. So he recommended this conference. Okay. So that's why, yeah. So his feedback gave me the motivation to choose it. For me, attending an online conference is more flexible, okay, as compared to traveling and all that. So it's more flexible, and it's cost effective too. So you can save for accommodation. You don't need to be thinking of a hotel booking, right? And traveling, and you're also helping the environment, right? Yeah. Okay. And with this online conference, I think it's also some people they don't find it like they find it difficult to speak when it comes to public speaking. Yeah, they find it difficult to speak face to face, but with online, they feel relaxed to talk. Yeah, so I think that's why online is better. And for, even though it has a disadvantage, which is you can meet people face to face. Yeah, to engage with people. Well, but I think I would always prefer online. I will definitely recommend that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because well, I would try to tell them, I would always recommend them that you should go for online conference. Yeah, you will save your time, you save the stress, you have your convenience, like it's flexible. Yeah. So I would always recommend that. The conference, it gave me the opportunity to listen to different topics. Yeah, some topics that are like, especially in different fields, not only marketing, business. Yeah, there were different fields. So I learned a lot from it.
Okay.
And the field, like in the conference, they were not only academic, it was not only based on academic.
Yeah.
Other professions were also present. Like, for example, there was a, I don't, well, I can remember, but there was a police, I don't know if it was a police officer. Yeah, he presented something which I learned about the Brazilian system of criminal law and justice. Yeah. So I was impressed with that. And I learned a lot from it. Yeah. And their levels of appeals in the Supreme Court. Yeah, which is something I was glad to listen to.